we're in the hall today. We're going to make some binoculars, some jungle binoculars of our own. Like, we're going to go and look for jungle animals outside. Let's go and look for jungle animals outside in your backyard, or even in your local park. But to make binoculars is really easy, but we need binoculars, don't we, to try and find some jungle animals. Because this week we're reading the beautiful book, Giraffes Can't Dance by Giles Andre, and so we're basing our activities this week on this beautiful book. So if you'd like to hear the story, you can watch me on the Music Kinder page, and I've given you the links to someone else reading the story as well. So let's get started with our jungle binoculars. All you need is, I've used a paper towel and I've cut it in half. You could use toilet rolls if you'd like to, and you just can decorate these toilet rolls by painting them or colouring them with textures or putting some stickers on. So once you've done that, what I want you to do is get your mum or dad to help you, and we're just going to staple them together. So you sort of need a grown-up to help you do that. So it's really easy. You put your staple down the end, give it a bang, and there you have your jungle binoculars are nearly ready. So I've made some very simple ones out of foil, but I think it'd be amazing if you could paint them or put some stickers on them. That would be so good. Then all you need to do is to get some ribbon like this. I've got some gold ribbon here. Cut a piece for around your neck so you can hold your binoculars in place. And all you need to do is then just get a bit of masking tape, and here's the end of it. Sometimes that can be tricky. I'm sure you can make these with your mum or dad, even your older brother or sister can help you. And just tape it inside it like that. So we're going to be making these today at Bonkers. We're going to make our own jungle binoculars, and then we're going to go outside and try and find where the jungle animals are hiding, and then we put the tape the other side like that, and then that's it. How easy is that? And so much fun. And you can spend the afternoon, bit small for my neck, but you'll be all right. You can spend the afternoon making your own binoculars and going hunting jungle animals. That would be so much fun. And we would love to see some photos of some of your jungle animals and the binoculars. So put them on the Music Kinder Facebook page. Okay, bye.